Hi guys, it's me Aya, and today I have my own ducks. So what is this? And I will show you my duck what I get spot, okay? 3, 2, 1, and go! See my ducks? Do you see it? And my duck is also right now. So 3, 2, 1, and here am I! And the duck don't know how to get up. See, get up! See? Too funny, but I show you my cute. What there is my cutie, and I still know why my chick is right there. And my chicks are right there. So I don't know why, but the chickens are always escaping. So, and I take my chickens how what to do. See? So I don't know why, but Grandpa see this big thing to why, but me so 3, 2, 1, and see, here is Grandpa and I'll go so I love it. The sun is setting, so no sun. That means the water is safe to swim in the beach. So something else. That is the red, and I don't know why. And that is the He has so much of those watery, and I cannot wait. Well, say that because I have a good smell. Smell it right now. Smell it my hands. So you always smell it, and it has good smell. Okay. So bye bye. See you soon in the next tunnel.